We are pleased to show you the 2022 Ram Pickup 3500. The Ram 3500 heavy-duty lineup features some of the most powerful trucks available. It comes with a lot of power, features, and capabilities. Its functional design and interior comforts make it the perfect truck for work or play and is priced below $100,000. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, premium wheels, anti-lock braking system, door edge guards, fog lights, driver's side remote mirror, power brakes, interval wipers, leather upholstery, heated seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.